Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is beautiful, stylish and very powerful. It shows confidence, experience and natural beauty. Many women over 50 choose to keep their grey hair and that is a great choice. The right haircut can make grey hair look modern, soft and very elegant. Let's start with short haircuts. Short grey haircuts are very popular because they are easy to manage. A short pixie cut looks fresh and youthful. It gives volume on the top and needs very little styling. This haircut is perfect for women who want a clean and confident look. Another great option is a short layered cut. Layers add movement and make thin hair look fuller. This style works very well with natural grey hair. You can style it with just a little cream or leave it natural. Now let's talk about bob haircut. A classic bob is always in style. It can be chin length or shoulder length. A bob haircut frames the face beautifully and looks very neat. You can add soft layers or side bangs for a softer look. A layered bob is also a great choice for women over 50. It gives volume and shape without looking heavy. This haircut is perfect for everyday wear and special occasions. For women who like medium length hair, there are many lovely options. A shoulder length haircut with layers looks very graceful. It makes grey hair look soft and shiny. You can wear it straight, wavy or slightly curled. Face framing layers are very helpful. They highlight your features and make the face look fresh. This style is easy to maintain and looks beautiful at any age. Now let's talk about bangs. Bangs can make a big difference in grey hairstyle. Side swept bangs are a great choice for women over 50. They soften the face and hide fine line naturally. Curtain bangs also look very modern with grey hair. It very prefer low maintenance haircut. Choose simple styles. A natural grey cut with soft layers is easy to care for. You don't need heat tools every day. Just keep your hair healthy and moisturized. Grey hair looks best when it is well cared for. Use good shampoo and conditioner made for grey hair. This keeps the color bright and removes yellow tones. Healthy hair always looks beautiful no matter style. Remember, age is just a number. Grey hair is not something to hide. It is something to celebrate. Choose a haircut that makes you feel confident and happy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you again in the next video.